the ocean is limitless because I think it connects all life. So anything in swimming in Hawaii or the Indian Ocean could possibly be here. It's really a limitless possibilities once you go in the ocean, even though it's right next to home. So, I don't know, it's the interconnectedness with the world that I think is fascinating about the ocean, no matter where you are. The ocean is where we all came from. It's all life. You know, it's just so important to conserve and take care of. I don't know, I can't say enough about it.
You ready?
Do it. We're doing it.
Yeah. So what do we got here?
We're gonna go see.
We're at Camp Cronin, Point Judith. This is open ocean here, so we're not in the bay. So you never know what could be in here. But hopefully if the water's clear, we should see a good amount. Sweet. We have a flag. So when we go to areas where there could be boat traffic, you have that flown around for safety.
A lot of population here in Rhode Island, so you're close to cities, Providence, Warwick, wherever you are in the state. But once you're in the ocean, it just seems so far away. The trek. As I got older, I just stayed with it and always felt comfortable in the water, felt at home, felt connected to life. Just limitless, really. I mean, it'd almost be like being on the Appalachian Trail that went around the world. So as soon as you step on the Appalachian Trail, you feel pretty safe and secure because you can go for 2,000 miles. With the ocean, you can go for much further. So as soon as you get in the water, you just feel like you could go anywhere. And you're connected to almost anywhere. Just always loved it. In the ocean, whether it's Key West, the Caribbean, as soon as you go in the water, as soon as you go in the ocean, you just feel the same, no matter where it is in the ocean, in the world. You just feel connected to it. And that's it, I guess.